Okay, Lucas, we've got phone. Look, put it there. Not yet. Glasses. And white. Lucas, find the phone. What's the phone? Phone. Yep. There's the phone. Good boy. Okay. Play with that. Okay, now we'll put it back. Lucas, find the white. Where's the white? The white? Yeah. The white. Right, put it back. Now find the glasses. 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 Okay, no, that's white. Where's the glasses? Glasses. Yes. This could just be coincidence. Lucas is a clever baby too.